All right, hey gang, Nate Bear here, lead technical tactician for Monument Traders Alliance and trade of the day. And in today's video, I want to go over the SPX, and I've got a fresh trade setup and also just a word of caution. All right, so let's dive right in. So the first thing I want to talk about, like we always start by talking about, is the SPX. Now, what I want you to notice is that the SPX has had a really good run, and we were at plus 3 ATR on Friday. The markets are pulling back a little bit today, which is great, which is fine. That's healthy. We really did well in Daily Profits Live, capturing this move higher, and now we're just sort of sitting back and waiting for the pullback. Can we get a pullback to the 8? Can we get a pullback to the 21 EMA? These would be healthy moves that we could then step in and buy. So at the moment, I am day trading on the short side. I am not loading the boat on the long side. We are looking at stocks like NVDA and trying to find out a level. Hey, where can I buy NVIDIA on a pullback? Stocks like Amazon or Apple or Microsoft, where can I buy these strong tech names on a pullback? I don't want to buy NVIDIA up here. And yeah, maybe it just keeps going and going and going. I think NVIDIA is going higher, but NVIDIA, we had a great setup down here. It's at our target. Let's let it pull in. Let's let it come back and see if we can pick it up on a pullback. All right. The Q's sort of the same thing, right? Plus 3 ATR, and now we are sort of pulling back a little bit. Can we get a pullback to the 8? That'd be great. Totally healthy, totally fine. We'll buy that. A pullback to the 21. Okay, great. We'll step in and buy more longs. But up here, it gets harder and harder and harder to keep adding to extended names on the long side when the indexes are so extended. All right, so one that I do like here, and one that I think is not very market sensitive, is RIVN. And we've got this really big daily squeeze down here. We've got a momentum shift, and we've got this really nice base. So if RIVN can sort of break out above this 15.75 to $16 level in through here, there's a lot of range up into 20. And this is sort of similar to like the CVNA charts and the, these high short float names that have come in and they've sort of done nothing for a while. And now they're putting in this nice base with a nice pattern and a great squeeze. And I like the idea of getting into something like this that's not necessarily as market sensitive and then going for a breakout on a high short float name like this, as opposed to buying NVIDIA, which is extended beyond belief, right? If you want to hold for the next 3 months, buy NVIDIA. But if you're looking for a trade that can work out in the next 1 to 2 weeks, I think RIVN is a great candidate, considering the overall backdrop of extended indexes, extended tech names, and looking for something that's sort of less market sensitive with high short float. I like that idea a lot. So as far as the options that I might choose, and I don't have a position yet in RIVN. I did trade it last week, and we took some nice profits in this name on a pop, and I'm just looking to pick it back up. But I'm going out into the July monthly series, and I'm going to pick up these $15 calls. Ideally, when RIVN is around 15 bucks. So if I could get a little bit of a pullback in RIVN, ideally, I mean, gosh, if I could have my way, it'd be right here, this major point of control, which is around 1460. But anywhere in through here, around 1460 to 1520, this range, I think, is a great area to be picking up and getting long into RIVN. All right, so that's what I've got for today. I hope it helps. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Later.